Prime, jo viņi nesponsorē. Kas vēl mums varētu sponsorēt? Kaut kādi
tie tavi lēti amīši.
Lēti amīši, Max Speeding Rods, tipa huņas. Šitie te kaut kādi...
Sūtat mums visus pārbaudēm, mēs liksim virsū.
Nankam griepas, valvolaini eļļas.
Testēsim, pārbaudīsim.
Irja?
Yeah.
Okay, hello. Today we are buying yet again another Volkswagen. It was just by mistake. I don't know why, but we will buy it. And right now we are hooking up the trailer and getting ready to drive.
Kas tev sākās?
Braucam uz Jelgavu pēc tev golfa.
Tad B2 Holding golf.
Holding.
Šīs vasaras MK1 piedzīvojums.
Nu, ir misēne, jā, viss kārtībā. Pagaidām viss tās baigi labais, tas nav labi.
In a dusty old barn, hidden from the lights, I stumbled on a treasure, it was love at first sight. A classic piece of history, just waiting to be free. An old Golf One, what a beauty to me. Found my heart in a barn where the memories reside. An old Golf One, now I'm taking a ride. From the shadows to the sunshine, gonna make it shine. With my Golf One, I know it's mine. There's the rust and dirt don't matter, it's the soul that's inside. With a little love and care, it's gonna drive from the country roads to the city lights. Gonna drive my Golf One into the night. In a dusty old barn, hidden from the lights, I stumbled on a treasure, it was love at first sight. A classic piece of history, just waiting to be free. An old Golf One, what a beauty to me.
And this is our new... I don't know what.
New bad financial decision.
Found my heart in a barn where the memories reside. An old Golf One, now I'm taking a ride. From the shadows to the sunshine, gonna make it shine. With my Golf One, I know it's mine. Wow! There's the rust and dirt don't matter, it's the soul that's inside. With a little love and care, it's gonna drive from the country roads to the city lights. Gonna drive my Golf One into the night.
are the happy owners right now. Let's go and celebrate it a little bit. Okay, now this is our car. Take a look at this. There is no rust at all. It's been standing under the roof for like 25 years. Take a look at this interior. Oh my god, it's so damn bad smelling. Fuck. That is so bad. It smells like all the mouses has been inside here and they're all dead. What are the plans for this car? I'm not sure yet, but... You think it's restoration? No. Tuning? Yes, tuning it could be. Okay, it's been already a few weeks later, and I forgot to mention that this Golf was previously bought by Perekoup, which is basically a guy that buys and sells the cars and gets some money. And this guy bought it from I don't know what or whom, but it was sitting in a barn for like 25 years. And he didn't show us any picture of the place it was sitting in. So I believe that you will say it's fake, but it's not fake. You'll see later that we are rebuilding the brakes. There are mouse shit everywhere. The brakes were totally stuck. The wheels were rubbish. Well, the tires. He told us that he tried to tow it out of the barn for like 4 hours. I believe you count in the brake hammering. He was towing this car out of the barn with his Audi Quattro, but it didn't succeed. It didn't. So he removed all the wheels, hammered the brakes. That was the only way to do it. And after that he put it in the Facebook, and we saw this advertisement. We drove to buy it, and here we are. But the engine, this Perekoup owner, he didn't started it. We did it ourselves. Check out later the videos and you will see it.
Brand new air filter, ready to use.
Quick maintenance?
Quick fix.
Yeah. Dry as a motherfucker. Yeah, no oil.
Nothing here.
We should probably fill it up before we try to start it. Probably should. Aizdedu atstājāt ieslēgt, tāpēc arī ir. Nekā. What the fuck?
No way.
This car wants to live!
God, suckers.
Okay.
Yeah, it's basically new.
Oh my god.
Tur mežā.
Liksim šitai, lai brauc.
Yeah.
Tas ir kādā krāsā, tā degviela.
Laba.
Dzeltena. Well, take a look at this, the year 2000. So there's a chance that this hasn't been run for 24 years.
Okay, let's put antifreeze in. This is not the cheapest one. It's
Premium.
yes. Wait. Oh wait.
Organic from Latvian countryside.
Reāli te viss tukšs, protams.
Neaizmirst, ka nav bremžu.
Trešajā.
Gāzes jau nav.
Nu tad apstājies. Ja?
Tā ir.
Tas nozīmē, ka man atkal jākāp ārā.
Nu, arī man. Pats remontējās vienkārši.
Tā ir veiksme, ka neviens nebrauc.
Tam labi ielikt. Trīs kameras. Labi jau. Nevajag kulisi, var braukt mierīgi.
Mierīgi.
Svens?
Poli brauksi?
Nu, laikam jau.
Tas jābrauc Svens.
Es ar Passātu. Tā vai jau.
Nu, jā.
Mums vajag divus uzticamus auto.
Kuri tie ir?
Divi dīzeļi.
Šitie divi, jā. Nu, 3 dīzeļi.
3 dīzeļi.
Un bļa forši sēžam uz peļu sūdiem.
Okay, we have driven our first test laps. We see that the engine is running good. And now it's time to put it in the garage to do some more job so we can finally hit the road. Just check this out. Okay, the seal is a little bit bent, but overall the car is just in perfect shape. There is no rust at all.
Nothing to do.
Okay, only this thing.
This one hole.
Oh, what a hole!
What a hole!
Boy. This thing is broken.
Yeah.
And this wheel somehow doesn't look straight.
Flops.
Damn, this car is just brand new. Only one hole. Okay, we have this idea that we are going to fix it in 3 days, because there is a Mark 1 season opening event, and it would be cool to get it running and get the technical inspection passed for at least road legal level. And I'm not sure if we can make it, but we'll try to do it. We have to get the brakes running. This guy is already doing it. And there are some other things, like we have to get gas from the tank, not from this thing. Some lines needs to be changed. Also we have to check for the lights, and what else do we need to do?
I don't know.
Just get the car running for the technical inspection.
Basically, yeah.
Yes, and let's see if we can do it. Let's see. It would be super cool to get this car running after 25 years off the road, and to get it back on the Mark 1 season opening event in 3 days. Okay, let's do it.
Under the hood, we bring the fix. Tune up the gears, no slip nor mix. Gotta tighten, gotta grease the way. Like the pros, we save the day to patch and mend the parts.
Okay, we just found a problem. I don't know if you can see it in camera, but this brake disc, it's not its shape. It's like this in this Bлекā sauc. Kā man to pateikt?
Nezinu, kaut kāds concave.
It's like Bлекā, kā to pateikt?
Completely deformed.
What, yeah. It's like super deformed in this way, like this.
How is that even possible?
Yeah, we gotta search for another disc. This won't be running. No. Okay, so
Crusty.
now we are going to try to change this thing. I don't know if it will work. But let's see. Okay, let's see. Oh, brand new.
Brand old. Old brand.
See, we have victory on the second one also. Oh, yes!
Seksuālas skaņas.
Nē, man patīk vairāk kā Lambertam ir. Viņš jau tur vispār to kaut kādu tipa... Oh! Visu laiku vienkārši saka. Pie katras skrūves. Jā, vot šitais, te.
Pols. Pastāties, re, kur ir kaste ar trubām, to pie kājām parvocies par to kastu, tur man liekas, ka jauni pie diktējuši par kājām.
Kādi jauni? To mašīnu es redzēju, tā viņa jauni.
Tu jau runā, tā kā mans pāteri. Viņš man parasti citā patā. Reģi, vecu miskot, kāpēc to jaunus likt? Kāpēc tu man filmē?
Kāpēc?
Šito nevajadzēja filmēt.
Kāpēc? Jo viņš ir sterils? This is new car.
Rusas nav.
Tā tu tā kā tiešām vēl plāno viņu nokrāsot šovakar.
Jā.
Kur Šārtīs arī teica, ka viņš līdz 6 rītā ņemsies.
Strādāja.
Asīti nepalāk. Mēs.
Cool. Very good job.
Proud owner.
You showed this. Oi,
Viņa otrādi nebija.
ne tur iebāzi. Šitā.
Kāpēc man liekas, ka viņa bija iekšpusē? Viņa bija iekšpusē.
O, pasties, cik skaisti. Gatavs. Šeit tokši mums ir gatavs. Yes. Finally, some work has been done. Yes. Okay, tā. Šitais vēl jāiesmērē, man liekas. Mums tagad vienkārši izliekos, ka es smērēju, jo es jau visu smērēju.
Vajag šito atstāt iekšā, lai tie, kas... Tie 3 latvieši, kas skatās, lai saprot to, ka tu jau uzsmērēji, bet tikai izliecies.
Un arī šito komentāru, ko tu tikko teici, jā. Brother, Kurš gan izmantoja jaunas suports, nu ne suports, bet tumuļus. Vienkārši vecos notīrīs un sajies. door handle.
Profesionāli.
Tieši tā. Nokomisēja. Tu nē, stop! Uzbrauks sev virsū. No, jā, bet labi.
Nē, pagaid.
Racing lifts and testing drive. We're the reason engines thrive. Every bolt and every screw. Crafted hands know what to do. We diagnose, we troubleshoot. From old classics to brand new boots.
Domāju, viens var viņu noņemt. Man.
Šits fujuks jau grib uzreiz atkal ātri strādāt, jo viņi filmē. Viņam ķipa liekas, ka boss skatās.
Ir. Bet tas arī motivē ātrāk strādāt.
Nu, vai var izmantot vēlreiz šo?
Es domāju, ka jā, viņš jāsašuj tikai. Mēs viņu pārdosim.
Okay. It's next day. And we have some progress. No, es negribu runāt kā lauka. Okay, it's next day. And something there has been done. The interior has been removed to get it super cleaned. Check this out. This guy is making a detailing. Super detailer. Yeah. It's everything here super wet. We are removing the previous diesel that has been stored here for 20 plus years, and it's looking like this. You can see the change. This is brand new diesel, and this is 25 years old. This piece of hood has been removed. Most has been some damage done here, and yeah, yesterday we got the brakes, and that's the progress for now. Okay, check this out. This is the best engineering ever made. And it stops here. Nice. And these stoplights are also very cool. You can see CCCP. What does it mean?
USSR. Soviet Union.
What's that?
Mahle. Mēs no tajā video arī tā noskan. Mahle.
Tagad jau taču.
Jā. Thanks. Ej, tu nost! Šitais tūlis ir jānopēr. Vienkārši.
Ķipa noņem sev vārsti un māku un nopūtīs šitajā kronajā krāsā.
Bet salonu gan man gribās tagad tik turā visu sakot, lai tevi patīkam, vai arī tie cilvēki, kas atnāk, viņiem tāds wow, salons gan. Peļu, kam mādīt.
Nāc.
Monsieur, bonjour. Dinner is served.
Kur lai liek? Jebaļ, kur tas bija?
Bārdačokas, tā klapēt, vienkārši sūdi sāka bija.
Jā, nu jā, tev tur arī bija viņa ar.
Jā. Pagaidām izstāst, lai Bārdačokas, ja teļu vidzam. Tādiem mani klapēt, vienkārši sūdi bija sāka.
O, tas smird!
Kāpēc tu viņus atstāji iekšā, tu idiots?
Tāpēc, ka es negribu mest viņus zālē. Kaut kur random vietā.
Jā, eksperts vai neapslēdz.
Galvenais ir emocionālais atbalsts.
Check out these GTI brakes.
Brake liners.
Brake calipers.
Check this GTI Coca-Cola.
Where is it?
Chicken nuggets.
Pēc ir ieslēgtas izspūles.
Vai Rikī to redzi? Es izspūles filmu.
Es nesaprotu, es viņu neieslēdzu, viņi pati ieslēdz.
Tāpēc, ka tumsā.
Divi ir. Pasties, skaisti. Viss notiek.
Yeah. So much happening. So much.
Old school eating.
Silikonu tur redzam.
Tas jau nav labi. Tā nav laba zīme.
Melns, ka tava dvēsela.
Bet mēs jau paši viņu ielējām.
Kā mēs tur dzidru ielējām.
Kā tad? Kurā vietā viņš bija dzidrs? Viņš bija tāds pats. No mutes pa taisnu.
Nelietot atrapot.
Nu jā.
Viss, es nezinu, kur viņš palika.
Kā jūties? Redz.
Kā viens ir tik 3,5 litri.
Okay, now this is the moment. Finally, after 25 years, this car is on the road again, going to technical inspection. Let's see how many faults we will get. I think this will be funny. Let's see if we will get there. Okay, it's not so far away, just only some 5 kilometers. But anyways, 25 years later and 3 evenings of job. Okay, and also 1 night.
we're here. The steering wheel is super not straight because the wheels are not aligned. Let's hope it won't be warming the way too much here. We managed to get this car road legal for 1 month. There are faults for brakes, there are faults for that rust hole, but yes, we can now drive Mark I season opening event.
In a dusty old barn, hidden from the lights, I stumbled on a treasure. It was love at first sight, a classic piece of history just waiting to be free. An old Golf One, what a beauty to me. Found my heart in a barn where the memories reside. An old Golf One, now I'm taking a ride. From the shadows to the sunshine, gonna make it shine. With my Golf One, I know it's mine. There's a rust and dirt don't matter, it's the soul that's inside. With a little love and care, it's gonna drive from the country roads to the city lights. Gonna drive my Golf One into the night. In a dusty old barn, hidden from the lights, I stumbled on a treasure. It was love at first sight, a classic piece of history just waiting to be free. An old Golf One, what a beauty to me. Where the memories reside, an old Golf One, now I'm taking a ride. From the shadows to the sunshine, gonna make it shine. With my Golf One, I know it's mine. Wow! There's the rust and dirt don't matter, it's the soul that's inside. With a little love and care, it's gonna drive from the country roads to the city lights. Gonna drive my Golf One into the night.
Okay, as you can see, we had some drag race here with our 25 years abandoned Golf, and we had 2 runs, and take a look at this. What happened? The radiator exploded. You can barely see it in camera, but I guess you can see it from here. Yeah, we had we drove like 100 kilometers already with it. There was no faults at all, but yeah, now it's all exploded, so we have to find a new radiator in the local area. That's about it. Yeah.
What's going on here?
Breakfast!
An old Golf One, what a beauty to me. Found my heart in a barn where the memories reside. An old Golf One, now I'm taking a ride from the shadows to the sunshine. Gonna make it shine with my Golf One. I know it's mine.
Well, this is how our little drag race adventure ended. Radiator exploded and I'm being pulled off the runway. So yeah, fun times.
Jā, un tas ir nevar zaudēt.
Nekad.
Tas mūsu teiciens. Tas mašīnas, ko nopērkam, nevar zaudēt. Valsts vides dienests.
Izmet uz ielas kaut
Kur viņš tek garām tagad? Vai nekur netek? Pa kuriem viņš izšauks? Because race car.
Well, this was fast.
Par šito.
Var likt?
Yeah.
Papis pret šo te jūru.
Golf One, what a beauty to me. Found my heart in a barn where the memories reside. An old Golf One, now I'm taking a ride from the shadows to the sunshine. Gonna make it shine with my Golf One. I know it's mine. Wow! Where's the rust and dirt don't matter. It's the soul that's inside. With a little love and care, it's gonna drive from the country road to the city.
Okay, I guess this is the end of this video, but we have some issues with gearbox. Andres was driving home and he lost the fourth gear. Now we have to change the gearbox. Luckily, I have a spare one. That won't be any problem. But you know, we have to do some job. And I wanted to say thanks
To the guy who gave us the radiator, okay, he sold it. But anyways, it really helped us. We could drive home. And of course, special thanks to Mark 1, okay, MK1.LV. It gave us an opportunity to drive this thing in an airport. Sad thing, we had only 2 runs on a drag race. But anyways, it was a real pleasure to drive this thing in airport. Thanks. And of course, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and leave some comment. It really helps this channel to grow. And this Golf has its first sticker of the first event.